Project concept. This is an introduction. What we're going to look at the first phase of the Pdme cycle, which is the project concept. So our first phase contains three elements: the development strategy, the problem identification, and the project concept. We'll have presentations on each one of them. So just as a brief summary, the development strategy is basically when the Pdme cycle starts with the identification of ideas or solutions to a problem. And those solutions are then identified in the context of an agile strategy. So the ideas that are identified at the beginning are then aligned to the strategy of the organization or the donor. So we're also going to be looking at how those projects are then aligned in terms of the vision and mission of the organization, its goals, the portfolio, the programs, the projects, and the resources available in the organization to manage and support the projects. The problem identification, it's the element where we look at the response for a donor request for proposal, which is known as an RFP, or the project proposal that we can send to a donor, or even an internal project that the organization decides to fund. The third element is the project concept. It's a document that captures the first request for a new project, and it's a simple document that summarizes the idea for a solution or an opportunity for a project. And the idea is that without developing a full-blown proposal, the project concept is a summary of some of the ideas that helps make a decision early in the process, so that then the organization or the donor can commit more funds and generate a full-blown design of the project. The idea of the project concept is basically to help us make that decision. It tells us, tries to answer why it's important, why we need to go to that project, who will benefit, who are the people that will benefit, organization or stakeholders that are in need of this solution. As an organization, then, what do we gain? How is this project aligned to the strategy? How will it help us achieve our vision and mission? And finally, can we do it? Do we have the expertise? Do we have the resources and the people and the skills needed to make this project successful?